This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Tia Orman. Experience an incredible floor plan of lots of gathering places for everyone to stay and play at 3 Newberry, desirably located near Fort Rock Park. Enter into the heart of the home where the living room, kitchen, huge buffet island and dining room converge into one vaulted great room west/gas fireplace. Kitchen equipped west/DBL ovens, griddle top and gas range to cook for a crowd. One end of the home lies the primary bedroom suite west/grand spa-like bathroom, while the other side boasts 3 addtnl bedrooms, 2 queens and a bunk room. Biggest surprise is upstairs in addtnl bonus room or 5th bedroom and a family room west/full bath. Enjoy all the resort community has to offer just minutes away to the marina, aquatic center, tennis, pickleball, the village for shopping, dining, coffee, craft brews, or simply enjoy the 33 miles of bike paths right out your back door. Newer deck, hot tub, radiant heating, 3rd golf cart bay and garage, utility room and garage, butler's pantry. Your Sunriver Dream Home awaits. For more information, review the